Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas decorations clearance available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Chifu Christmas Decorations. This joy box are certified and thoroughly tested. High quality, safe and non-toxic. These boxes are made of environmental and durable paper and plastic. The stylish design and vibrant red colors display is so gorgeous everyone at the party will impress by it. They are easy to assemble. They are very versatile, lightweight and can be reused over and over. These boxes are a must-have for any event decorator or amateur family party planner to add to their inventory. It is perfect addition to parties, baby showers, birthday party and many more. It comes with this Joy Blocks custom decoration. At number 6 we have Goose Christmas Decorations. Goose Christmas Sitting Santa Claus come with LED lights built inside. The Christmas decoration made children's love at first sight. Beside Christmas it can be used as any other holiday decoration. The Sitting Santa Claus inflatable is made of high-strength waterproof polyester, which is against drips and tears. The excellent stitching improves the durability of the inflatable decoration. This outdoor inflatable is providing with a powerful duty and blower to continuous airflow inflate the decoration. It also come with a storage bag for you. The size of 5 FT Christmas inflatable is perfect for outdoor or indoor use. The blower with a 10 FT power cord, which meaning that you can place it anywhere in your yard or garden. At number 5 we have Gigalumi Christmas Decorations. The wire between each candy cane is 20 inches. The length of the controller wire is increased to 16.4 feet, which can fit a longer path. The height of each candy cane is 28 inches, which is higher than others. All the candy canes are waterproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor usage. Without any worry of short circuit or weather damage. It total of 10 brilliant festival candy cane lights is perfect for home decor to create a festive atmosphere. And also indicate to the family the direction of going home. At number 4 we have Airwill Christmas Decorations. The outdoor inflatable snowman is made of durable polyester. This 6 FT inflatable Christmas decorations, putting it in your yard is easy to get eye-catching. It will be an ideal host to welcome your Christmas guests. It is equipped with super bright LED colorful rotating lights. It would brighten the cheerful atmosphere of Christmas night. It is made of waterproof material but do not inflate during storms or strong winds. It is perfect for Christmas outdoor decorations, Christmas indoor decorations and Christmas toy. It is made of high-quality polyester and well-sewed, lightweight and durable, weatherproof and fade-resistant. At number 3 we have Warrion Christmas Decorations. There are 4 decorative pillow covers with invisible zippers are printed with different patterns and Christmas theme. All of the pillowcase are made of cotton, linen, soft burlap, and very healthy and eco-friendly. The pattern is printed on the front and the other side is natural burlap color. The pillow cover is perfect home, office, car decoration, Paris, Alice de Casa de Navidad, comfortable, soft and durable. The pillow core is very easy to install. The details are perfect, comfortable and soft. Both machine washable and the hands washable. This winter holiday throw pillow cover will refresh your room, is easy to mix and match with other Christmas decorative pillows or Christmas decorations. At number 2 we have Lannon Christmas Decorations. The built-in super wind air blower can quickly inflate the Santa Claus. It is made of upgraded thick nylon fabric. It is durable, weatherproof and sunproof. It is built-in bright LED lights and colorful design lit up the yard festively, which is perfect for Christmas night party, make your yard a big hit around neighbors, and to be the most attractive and decorating. Because the inflatable is equipped with 2 inside water bags, 2 ropes and 4 stakes, you can fix it firmly in the yard. At number 1 we have Decor Life Christmas Decorations. It is built-in bright LED lights will light up the Star of Bethlehem instantly. That's making your Christmas yard decoration a big hit around neighbors. It is made of thick and 190T polyester. This Christmas inflatables outdoor decorations has high durability and long service life. It is easy to roll back down and put away for next year. You can make your Christmas decorations outdoor yard a breeze with this inflatable Christmas tree. You can just zip up the bottom zipper and plug the adapter, everything pops up in a moment. This inflatable Christmas yard decorations will stay up through the rain and wind, exactly a must-have for holiday spirit. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas decorations for your need.